to you about a concept of frontal plane poses versus side plane poses. And a great example of this difference is when we look at warrior 1, 2, and 3 together. So I'm going to have us start with warrior 1. Warrior 1 is a frontal plane pose, which means your hips are forward, shoulders are facing forward. So we're going to start with our hips, or our feet being hips width apart. And how you can kind of define that is kind of touch your hip bones here. Ladies, not your hips. We're going to touch our hip bones here and imagine a straight line going down to that second toe. That's where your alignment of hips width apart would be. You can also visualize it as if you were on a train track and one foot is on each track, okay? So a frontal plane pose for warrior 1, we're going to take our right heel up, slide it straight back so there's width between our feet. They're not lined up. When you line them up, you're turning into a side ankle pose. Warrior 1 is a front ankle pose. So we get our feet on train tracks. In warrior 1, your knee comes directly over your ankle, slightly towards the pinky toe, but your thigh is pulling into midline. Then you can pivot that back foot down and press into the outer edge of the back foot. You're going to engage all of your loops and spirals as you come on up. Imagine yourself holding a block in front over your head. That's how far your hands should be apart. A lot of people go a very expressive, organic energy when they're doing warrior 1, but really we want to keep it really tight midline and pull your shoulders down away from your ears. Warrior 1. Yes, please.